Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play MAME games. MAME, which stands for Multiple Arcade Machine Emulator, is a fantastic tool for preserving and playing thousands of classic arcade games on your computer. Beyond arcade titles, it also supports a wide array of vintage consoles and computers. To get started, you will need the MAME emulator itself and the game files, often called ROMs. Let's dive into the setup process. First, visit the official MAME website, mamedev.org, to download the latest version of the emulator for your operating system. Once downloaded, create a new folder, perhaps named MAME, and extract all the emulator files into it. Next, you will need game ROM files. It is crucial that your ROMs are compatible with your MAME version. Simply place these zipped ROM files directly into the ROMs folder located within your MAME directory. Do not unzip them. With MAME installed and your ROMs in place, launch the MAME executable. The first thing you will want to do is configure your controls. Press the Tab key to access the in-game menu, then navigate to input General or Player 1 controls. Here, you can map your joystick or keyboard buttons for movement and actions. Remember to assign buttons for coin insert and start game, as these are vital for arcade play. Once configured, select a game from the list and enjoy. Here are a few important tips for a smooth MAME experience. Firstly, never extract or rename your zipped ROM files. MAME expects them in their original compressed format. Secondly, game compatibility is key. Always try to match your ROM set version with your MAME emulator version. Some games, especially Neo Geo titles, require specific BIOS files, which also go into your ROMs folder. Finally, the Tab key menu offers many advanced options for fine-tuning your video and audio settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.